Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and today Mike's here. What brings you in today?
Stiffness in the back, pain in the lower region.
You said started up about a week ago?
Yeah.
So we start off with the seated scan. And Mike's got some tightness here in the right sacroiliac joint. A little sore there?
Yeah.
Mike usually doesn't come in if it doesn't hurt.
Right
And
there.
this is usually his really bad spot up in here.
That is.
Yeah. Not too bad up there.
No. Right.
Alright, so we're going to take care of that. That's definitely the worst one today. More so on the left than the right, it feels like. So let's have you lay on your back here. Cross your arms. Roll you a little bit. Take a deep breath in. Let it all out. Lay back. Let that relax. Let it go. There we go.
Oh,
That move nice and easy.
yeah.
Usually it takes a little more.
Yeah, it does.
Let's have you on your side facing that way.
Been pretty stuck.
Now we're going to adjust that right sacroiliac joint. Most people call it their hip. Roll a little bit. Deep breath in. Perfect. Yeah, let's go to the other side. So, I like to adjust that same joint both ways. So we just adjusted it into flexion. So now we're straightening out the leg here, put it into extension. And we're going to contact on the sacrum here. Great. Okay. Let's have you lay face down. We didn't quite get it all up here in his thoracics. There we go.
Oh,
Beautiful.
that was it.
So I always like to do the massager at the end. People get buff and polish, as I say. Okay, let's bring you back in the chair. So we always like to recheck our work at the end. Make sure we cleared everything up. That feels much better.
Yeah.
That's great. Wow.
Yeah.
You didn't make me work too hard today. Better sit back. We're going to recheck up here a little closer. Got a little tightness up in here. We're at C7 here on the right. Let your head come over to the right. A little bit of rotation. One more. There it goes. We're We're going to go on that same segment on the left. A little more rotation on this side. Great. Nice release there. Let's see if this. Yeah. Great. Okay. Well, thanks for watching today. I'm Dr. Butler. This is Mike. I am your Northwest Ohio chiropractor.